Here I have PANASONIC Eluga A4 and let me show you how to change language on the following device. At the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Let's use here the apps icon, find and select the settings, scroll down and here you need to find and select the language and input. Is located under personal tab. Let's tap it. Here let's tap on the languages at the top of the screen, and as you can see I'm right now using English from United States, but I can choose other language, and here I've got full list of available languages on this device. Let me choose for example Spanish, so the Español right here from the España. And now if I would like to switch into the Spanish, I need to place Spanish into the first position, and now the whole list of settings and also apps are in Spanish. So now you can use it, but if you would like to go back to the English version again, let's use the apps icon, choose Ajustes, then you need to scroll down and here let's find the idiomas y introducción de texto, tap idiomas again and place English into the first position. That's it, so now you can use the English. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.